Hey guys, how to improve your punctuation skills with Grammarly. First of all, go ahead and download Grammarly AI. Okay, make sure that you download it and update it to the latest version. In my case, I'm gonna use the website. Make sure to paste the report, the draft email, the drafting email, or any other text into your Grammarly, right? And you're gonna be able to set the tone for your writing, right? You can go ahead and click the green pencil right here, and you're gonna hit continue. And you're gonna be able to set the tone for your text, right? Customize your settings, audience, formality, and tone, basically, to tailor punctuation suggestions to your specific style, right? And you can use real-time Grammarly correction. So for example, if I wrote something wrong right here, right, they will flag right here that there is one mistake, right? So I'm gonna click fix mistakes, right? And as you can see, now they fixed the spelling or misunderstanding in that text, right? Focus on common punctuation mistakes, right? Grammarly helps you place commas in the right place, right? In the introductory phrases, in the lists, or before conjunctions in compound sentences, right? They will let you know, basically. So you can see right here, instead of the green logo, you're gonna be able to see one mistake, two mistakes, whatever that might be, right? And you're gonna be able to set the tone depending on your tone, of course. If you set it to be formal, it's gonna be different. If you set it to be casual, it's gonna be different. It's gonna be different. So that depends on how you actually rewrite the text. Okay, so make sure that you know how to set the tone for your text. Okay, and learn from Grammarly suggestions. When Grammarly suggests a punctuation change, it often provides a brief explanation of why the change is necessary. Grammarly gives you also the option to review its suggestions, right? Compare it with your original sentence and learn from the new editing, right? So by adjusting your Grammarly adapts to your writing skills, ensuring that punctuation is used appropriately based on whether you're writing a formal letter, as we said before, essay, or casual writing, right? So for creative writing, Grammarly helps maintain punctuation that supports your tone. So again, that all depends on your tone. Go ahead and click the green pencil, click continue, and you're gonna be able to set the tone for your text. And based on that, Grammarly will adapt and learn how to use the right punctuation that supports the text. By actively using Grammarly's AI to correct and guide you on punctuation, you can significantly improve your skills, making your writing clearer, more professional, and error-free. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and definitely see you in the next one.